Using web tools to support inquiry-based learning. In 2004, Alberta Education released a document entitled Focus on Inquiry, a teacher's guide to implementing inquiry-based learning. Chapter 2 identifies and expounds on a model for inquiry, which includes planning, retrieving, processing, creating, sharing, and evaluating. I will examine tools for each phase of the model. Teachers may use web tools for some, all, or even just one of the phases. It is important to make sure students are familiar with the web tools before proceeding so that the tools are a conduit to learning rather than an obstacle. Planning. There are a wide variety of web tools to assist in the planning process. Online mind mapping tools like BubbleUs, MindMeister, SpiderScribe, and Text-to-Mind-Map allow students and teachers to create mind maps online and brainstorm ideas to pique students' interest and expand their curiosity. Teachers can also use online polling software like Poll Everywhere, which allows students to join in a discussion using their mobile devices. Videos like the popular TED Talks or others found on YouTube can stimulate discussion and ideas. Retrieving. Students now begin to actively search for information related to their topic, and their focus should begin to narrow as they draw from a multitude of resources. If asked to complete research using online tools, most students will probably just Google it and bring up the Wikipedia page or browse the first few links. There are, however, many other great resources available online. Safe search websites like DuckDuckGo and Kidtopia give teachers peace of mind knowing that results are filtered to keep content appropriate. Wikisummarizer provides search results in the form of a mind map or a word cloud, and SlimeKids has a directory library where students can access a variety of other safe search engines. Social bookmarking sites Digo and Delicious can be used to organize online information and then access multiple links stored in the same place and organized by tags. All of this helps the inquirer come to a focus for their inquiry. Processing. Any of the tools examined to this point can work to help the student narrow down a focus or thesis statement. Creating. Students now begin the process of organizing their research into a presentation format. The internet provides seemingly endless tools for creating and publishing ideas. Expose students to multiple formats and let them choose from a selection of options. Typical presentation formats like Google Docs and SlideShare allow students to create visually appealing, slideshow-type presentations that can be shared online. Prezi provides stunningly professional-looking presentations, while even more creative presentation tools like Powtoon, Animoto, and Brainshark have option for users to include sound, video, and other animations. Students can have the option of blogging their ideas, creating a website, starting a wiki, making a video, or even authoring their own comic strip. Students now have access to a growing body of creative prospects. Sharing. Now that the student has created a product, it is time to share their knowledge. This can be with a few other students, the whole class, the teacher, parents, the school, or even, with proper permission, the whole world via the online community. Many of the creating tools mentioned before have built-in sharing capabilities. A few other options include video sharing sites like Vimeo or YouTube, uploading presentation files to a class wiki, using QR codes to have students access each other's work, or collaborating finished products on a sticky site like Lino. Students should be able to proudly share their work and have an opportunity for response and reflection. Which brings us to the final stage of the inquiry model, evaluating. As students reflect, they evaluate not only their finished product, but the whole process of inquiry. This might include another short product using some of the tools mentioned previously, or it might involve a tool like VoiceThread, which allows users to comment via phone, video, audio, or text on an uploaded video or document. Penzu Classrooms has an interactive journal tool where students can share their experiences. Socrative.com is a smart response student system that allows a teacher to get responses via electronic devices, and Edmodo provides a secure social network where students and teachers can interact online. One way to incorporate all 6 inquiry steps in one powerful tool is by using a web quest. The teacher can create a website with embedded links to information to help guide the inquiry process. As students get exposed to the vast number of tools available, the opportunities for unique inquiry-based learning using web tools will only increase. I hope you found this useful.
Created using Powtoon.